Yeah, I have a problem. So, welcome if you're new. My name's Bethany, and this box is a Sephora haul. If you haven't seen the title, it's a mini haul. I've been doing a lot of mini hauls, mini shopping, free shipping. I can't help myself. I want to give a shout out to the last video, which was 3 videos, and I'll have their names rolling down the bottom. So thank you so much for commenting. It was the Juvia's Place. Oh, and then the Profusion. I'm just gonna leave all the shout outs because I love giving people shout outs and letting them know that I appreciate them and I love the support. So let's open this box. It actually says 2 pounds right there on the box. And this is Sephora. I just bought something from Sephora not too long ago, so this is great. But they give you free samples, and the code was free ship. So let's see. Then I got my birthday points or insider thingy, I don't know, with Sephora. So I'll show you what I got for my birthday samples. And it was the Milk makeup. You get, you see it, Sephora Beauty Insider. Let's see, and it says happy birthday. So cute. Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay. Oh, so you get a sample of the Milk Hydro Primer. That was in there. And then you get a mini lip and cheek, which we did get one of these in the BoxyCharm. So this is their mini. Let's see what color this is. This is Work. Work. Can you see that? This is a very nude. I like that. Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. And then you get the Milk Kush Mascara. Ooh, I'm so curious. This is 3 mls. It expires in 6 months. Oh my gosh. What color? It doesn't say. Little wand. Cool. So that's my little birthday thing. So that's for me. I mean, everything in here is for me, but. And then I got Ilia Liquid Light Serum Highlighter. This was supposed to be the sample. This is 5 mls in the color Nova. I have never heard of this product. Oh, this is so cute. Wow. 5 mls. Look at that. And it's a little pump. That's cool. I like that. I don't want to pump it out because I already have so many highlighters open. And then my birthday present for myself, which is going to be crazy because you will have already seen the Glow Recipe mini haul. I got myself this. This is the Glowipedia Bouncy Skin. This is their new thing. It's $90 and it was for me. So what comes in it is the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And let me see. Oh yeah, that's the bigger one. Wonderful. And then the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I will be giving that away in a giveaway because I just got the full size in my BoxyCharm. If you didn't see that video, check it out. And then the Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream, Calming and Hydrating, which I never tried, which is awesome. And then the Watermelon Glow Lip Pop. And then the Watermelon Ultrafine Mist, which is right here, which is what I didn't have. I totally forgot that I got this. So I'm so glad. The mist is 75 mls. The lip pop is 3.1 grams. The banana souffle is 25 mls. The avocado mask is 15 mls, which will be going away to one of you. And then the Watermelon Glow toner is 40 mLs, which is awesome. I'll have two. It's okay. Don't force me. I don't care. So this was a great birthday gift, and you know, more. Thanks so much guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and then stay tuned to more videos, and the giveaways will keep coming as long as you guys keep coming and subscribing. So as always guys, stay safe.